This is a really annoying sound that my cousin, he made up, but I learned how to do it. See, let me get ready. I'm going to pull this out, and you'll hear it right about now. Funny, huh? Oh my gosh, really bad. It's the most annoying sound. Funny. I'm dead.